Hi, this is Bill with Farland Classic Restoration doing a walk around on this beautiful 2010 Ferrari California. Now, although restored cars are what we're really known for, every now and again we have one that has certainly never needed any restoration. This 12,000 mile car looks virtually perfect in every regard. Some people kind of discount the California thinking that it's a dilettante's car, but in fact they have over 450 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of under 3.9 seconds. The California is a real Ferrari. This particular one is a two-owner car sold new at Ferrari of San Francisco. Has a completely clean Carfax history, never had any damage, never had any concerns. There's four things people always want to know about a Ferrari. Do you have all of its books and records? Yes, we do. Has it ever had any kind of accident damage? No, it hasn't. And has it been serviced up to date? It has, and of course we have all the receipts for that as well. The last thing people always want to know about a modern Ferrari is, does it have all the popular options? And this car does. You can see that it has the carbon ceramic brakes with red optional calipers, the Scuderia shields on the fenders. It has the Daytona seats with contrasting stitching, and of course several of the carbon fiber options, including the steering wheel with the LED lights on here that are tied into the car's tachometer. That's a fun thing that everybody wants. The centerpiece of every Ferrari, of course, is its engine, and they go out of their way to make the presentation just beautiful. The traditional red colored plenums and cam covers on here. And of course, this one is a V8, not a V12 or a V6. This one is normally aspirated. Some of the later Californias were turboed. The non-turbo version, like this car, actually has better initial throttle response, and it has the advantage of being the least expensive of all the Californias. The interior in all Ferraris are always beautifully done. This particular one has the optional Daytona seats, hallmarked by these horizontal bands. In this car, it was done very unusually. These strips are Alcantara suede rather than another smooth leather, and the car has contrasting red stitching in it. All the Californias have the info screen on the dash for all your infotainment, navigation functions like that. This particular one also has small rear seats, so that a child seat could actually be put in the back of it. As you know, all Californias are retractable hardtops, but a lot of folks don't know these two pads right here cover roll bars that in the event of an accident, when things really get out of hand, they automatically snap up. The A-pillars on the windscreen are designed to support the car's weight. So not only does it have the performance history of all Ferraris, but it's also designed to protect the occupants. Under the trunk, naturally, this is where the top's hiding right now, but you can see even when the top is retracted, there is space in here for a fair amount of luggage. Obviously, we have the traditional Ferrari nylon bag with a car cover, seat covers, battery maintainer, all that lingerie that normally comes with a new Ferrari. Under here, there's the car's original toolkit, which has obviously never even been used. Let me go ahead and close this lid, and then we can do a video of the interesting top actually functioning. How about that? Of course, we'd love to talk to you about this car or any of the others we have listed on our website. Thanks for watching.